welcome to Professor SNAB, where we make A-level biology as simple as a cell. So today we're looking at understanding the importance of water and inorganic ions to plants. So we'll be looking at nitrate, calcium ions, and magnesium ions. So water is an essential component that all plants need. I mean, not just all plants, but all organisms, but we're focusing on plants. So they act as a reactant in photosynthesis. It provides hydrogen ions and electrons in the light-dependent stage. It is a solvent for mineral ions and sugars. It enables transport in xylem and phloem and maintains turgor pressure by keeping the cells turgid and by providing structural support to non-woody tissues. It also allows cell expansion and growth and has a high specific heat capacity, which helps maintain stable internal temperatures. It is involved in transpiration and aids mineral ion uptake and cools the plant. So now to look at inorganic ions. So plants require mineral ions in small quantities. So ions are absorbed from the soil as aqueous ions via root hair cells. We're actually going to be focusing on the specific ions and their roles in plants. So the first one we'll be looking at is nitrate ions. So they are required for the synthesis of amino acids, proteins, nucleotides, and chlorophyll. They are essential for growth and enzyme protection and cell division. In the case of deficiency, the following symptoms are observed. So the symptoms are stunted growth, yellowing of all the leaves, which is known as chlorosis, and poor protein synthesis. We're looking at magnesium ions, and before we go ahead with the content, it is important that you guys are familiar with how to write the ion word, like the ionic formulas of these as well. It's just another good thing to remember. But yeah, it is the central ion in the chlorophyll molecule and activates many enzymes involved in photosynthesis and respiration. It is required for photosynthesis and is necessary for ATP formation. And in the case of deficiency, the following symptoms are observed. So chlorosis of all the leaves, reduced photosynthesis, and poor growth. So now to look at calcium ions. Once again, it is important you know how to write the ionic formula. So it forms calcium pectate in the middle lamella, and it strengthens cell walls and stabilizes cell surface membranes. It acts as a secondary messenger in cell signaling, and it is important for cell division and is essential for root and shoot growth. It also plays a role in maintaining tissue integrity, and in the case of deficiency, the following symptoms are observed. So the symptoms are poor root growth, deformed leaves, and increased cell membrane permeability. So that is all from Professor SNAB today. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions or if you need further clarification, of course, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.